my friends, today I have a tackle warehouse unboxing. I ordered some stuff. This is a new lure that just came out last year, and every year I always pick one lure when I go to Champlain that I'm going to feature and try to fish a lot while I'm up there. Last year that didn't work out so well, but hopefully this year this one will, because this is a great lure. I've heard a lot of great things about it. The company itself, I am a very, very avid user, and it is some paper, and they sent me their sticker, and the lure is Rapala V series. What this is like a lipless crankbait, and let me open it up for you and I'll show you. This is a little bit different than a standard run-of-the-mill lipless crankbait. This actually is made of metal right here and down here and plastic, and it has two places to tie your line to, and it's got this little snap thing right there to attach to. But this is it right here. It has a big treble hook in here, well, not really big treble hook in the back, and then it has two little single hooks right here in the front. I heard that is so when that's going through the water and it's hitting the bouncing off the brush, that this one right here doesn't get hung up. So I'll definitely have to give that a try, but I'll go through and show you the different ones I got. I like Rapala. Rapala, I've been fishing them for years, from shad wraps to their jerk baits, their jointed baits. Big supporter of Rapala. I would say probably 85% of my tackle box of my crankbaits and jerk baits are Rapala hard baits. So that's what I got. I got this one here. Once again, like I always tell you guys before, buy in twos if you can. So I got two of these. This is, what color is this? Not even sure. I'm not even sure if it even says the color on them. But I got two in the same color here. I'll video them afterwards so you guys can see them in the end. That one color there. This one here is, I'm really looking forward to this one because I really like this one. It's got the silver in back with a red underneath belly. The shad wrap, that's just like this. I kill them up on Champlain with that, so I can't wait to get this up there. And I got two of those. And then this one here looks pretty darn cool too. It's got kind of a green and silver and blue tinge to it. Once again, I'll show you guys all of them in the end. And there's the duplicate of that one. And then this one here is pretty cool too. This one is blue with an orange belly, and this is a great lure, I'm sure, because I love the color. We had a standing joke up at Champlain that blue doesn't catch fish. We were up there one time when we were trolling, and a group of us were together, and Greg, he decided to throw on a blue lure, and he hooked a nice smallmouth, and before he even got it in the boat, I'd gone ahead and switched real quick and switched over and threw a blue one on, and I immediately caught a nice smallmouth right after that. And needless to say, Gray didn't land his fish. I got mine though. So I'll show you guys what these look like up close. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.